أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Last class we have learned about the numbers of nouns. Today we will be seeing the era of nouns. What is the era of a noun? It is a state of a word. Okay, here it is noun. So it is a state of a noun. Era is a state of a noun. So nouns are in three states. Nouns are in three states. Like humans have different emotions like happy, sad and angry. Words also shows different states. So the three states of a noun are marfu, that is by default most of the words in noun Arabic are marfu state. Okay, most of the nouns will be in the marfu state. Marfu state is known as a nominative state. Okay, marfu state is known as a nominative state. Mansoob state is known as a accusative state. Okay, mansoob state is known as a accusative state, and majroor state is known as the genitive state. Okay, by default all the nouns are in the marfu state. Okay, by default all the nouns are in the marfu state. So what are the signs of the state of a noun? Okay, what are the signs of the state of a noun? Marfu, mansoob and majroor. So for singular, dual and plural, masculine and feminine. For singular, what is the sign for marfu, mansoob and majroor? For dual, what is the sign for marfu, mansoob and majroor? And for plural, masculine and feminine, what is the sign for marfu, mansoob and majroor? Let's see. So these are the signs, are the ending signs of the nouns. For marfu, let's come for the singular. In the marfu, the sign for marfu state is dhamma or double dhamma, that is tanween, double tanween. Mansoob state fatha or zabar. Majroor state is kasra. Okay, for singular, marfu state is dhamma, mansoob state is fatha and the majroor state is kasra. For dual, the marfu state is alif noon, ani, alif noon with a kasra. Mansoob state is ya noon with a kasra and majroor state is ya noon with a kasra. So mansoob and majroor for dual is the same, that is ya noon with a kasra. Now for the marfu, the plural for marfu is waw noon. Okay, waw noon with a fatha. Mansoob and majroor will be the same, that is ya noon with a fatha, ya noon with a fatha. That is for the masculine. For the feminine plurals, alif noon, alif tanween, atun, that is alif ta with a tanween. So that will be the marfu state. Mansoob state and the majroor state will be the same, that is atin and atin. So these are the endings of the nouns. By these endings of the nouns, by seeing these endings of the nouns, we can say the noun is in marfu state, mansoob state or the majroor state. Note here the singular and the broken plurals. Broken plurals are nothing but irregular plurals, are twin brothers. That means they have got the same signs at their word endings. That is, in the marfu state they will be having dhamma, in the mansoob state they will be having fatha, in the majroor state they will be having kasra. So singular and broken plurals will have the same endings, sign endings will be the same, that is dhamma for marfu, mansoob fatha and majroor kasra. Let's see some examples here. So first masculine nouns. For example, muslimun. Okay, muslimun singular will see. Muslimun, dhamma you can see, so it is in the marfu state. That is dhamma, tanween you can see, so it is indefinite. So when al muslimu if you write, so it will be indefinite. So here when alif lam is added, the tanween will be removed and one dhamma will be kept. So in the marfu state you can see dhamma you can see. In the mansoob state you can see fatha you can see, that is double fatha you can see. That is whenever double fatha is added, alif of protection should be added, as we discussed in the previous classes. So in the mansoob state you will get fatha, that is zabar. Alif lam if you added, then the tanween will be removed and only one fatha will be kept. When one fatha is kept, there is no need of adding alif. In the majroor state you can see muslimin, so double kasra is added. So when alif lam is added, then that double kasra is changed to single kasra, so al muslimi. Coming to duals. So dual nouns if you see muslimani, so whenever we want to make a single muslim into two muslims, that is dual nouns, ani should be added. So muslimani, tanween is removed and zabar is added over it, that is fatha is added and ani, so muslimani, al muslimani. So here it is the marfu state. So marfu state muslimani. Okay, muslimani. So in the mansoob state it is muslimaini. Ya noon should be added at the end. Okay, muslimaini, ya noon should be added. So al muslimaini, ya noon should be added. In the majrur state, for the dual nouns will be muslimaini. So mansub state as well as the majrur state for the duals will be the same. That is muslimaini for the mansub state and muslimaini for the majrur state. Now coming to the plurals. So if we see muslimun, the singular, so una should be added, waw noon should be added. So muslimuna. The marfu state will be muslimuna. So al muslimuna means when alif lam is added, nothing is happened here. Muslimuna means it is in the indefinite state. When alif lam is added, it will become al muslimuna. That means it is in the definite state. So here muslimina and al muslimina, that is the mansub state. The majrur state is muslimina and al muslimina. So that means the mansub state as well as the majrur state is the same for both duals and plurals. That is al muslimuna marfu state, al muslimina, that will be the majrur state and mansub state for the plurals. Note here, for broken plurals and or irregular plurals, the signs or the state of a noun will be similar to the singular nouns. For the singular nouns, what are the signs? Dhamma for marfu, fatha for mansub and kasra for majrur. Similarly is the sign for the broken plurals or the irregular plurals. That is, it will be, the singular will be kitabun. Kitabun will be the singular. For plural of kitabun is kutubun. Plural of kitabun is kutubun. So kutubun dhamma you can see. So that will be in the marfu state. Kutuban, that will be the mansub state, and kutubin, that will be the majrur state. So these broken plurals which do not follow a fixed pattern, the sign for marfu is dhamma, the sign for mansub is double fatha with an alif should be added as per rule, that is alif of protection, and kitabin, that is double zair is added here, that is kasra, kitabin in the majrur state. So let's see some feminine nouns. Feminine noun, for example, muslimatun. So how to make muslimun, muslimatun? The muslimun is there, the tanween is removed, fatha is added, then ta marbuta, the closed ta is added. So muslimun has become muslimatun. So singular muslimatun in the marfu state, in the mansub state muslimatan. Okay, muslimatan, double fatha is added. So whenever double fatha is added for this closed ta, there is no need of adding alif as we discussed earlier. Majrur state muslimatin. So ta kasra can be added. So in singular muslimatun, marfu state, mansub state muslimatan. For majrur state it is muslimatin. If you take dual nouns, what you have to do? Muslimatun is there, that closed ta is there, the closed ta should be opened here and alif noon should be added. So muslimatani. Okay, muslimatani in the marfu state. In the mansub state it is muslimataini, ya noon with a kasra should be added, muslimataini. And in the majrur state muslimataini, ya noon with a kasra should be added. So both in the mansub state as well as in the majrur state it is muslimataini, muslimataini. Now coming to the plurals. In the plurals, now the plurals are derived from the singulars only. So muslimatun. So this entire ta marbuta is removed and atun should be added. Alif ta with a tanween, it should be added. So muslimatun, muslimatun. So marfu state is muslimatun. Marfu state is muslimatun and mansub state is muslimatin. Okay, mansub state is muslimatin and majrur state for the plurals is muslimatin. So muslimatin, both in the mansub state as well as in the majrur state. Okay, for plurals. So for singulars, muslimatun marfu, mansub muslimatan, majrur muslimatin. For duals, the closed ta is opened here and written as muslimatani. See, muslimatani, that is marfu state. So muslimataini for mansub state, and for majrur state it is the same, that is muslimataini. Now for plurals, similarly marfu state will be the ta marbuta is removed and atun should be added, that muslimatun, that will be the marfu state. Mansub state and majrur state will be the same for the plurals as like duals, that is muslimatin, alif ta with a kasra is added, alif ta with a double kasra is added here. The similar thing is explained here in this the chart, that is muslimun, that is mufrad singular, musliman, muslimin, that is masculine. For feminine it is muslimatun, muslimatan, muslimatin, that is the marfu state. Rafun means marfu state, nasbun means mansub state, and jarun means majrur state. So coming to the dual nouns. So muslimani, muslimaini. Okay, that is in the marfu state muslimani, mansub state muslimaini, majrur state muslimaini. Feminine nouns, muslimatun is there, the ta marbuta is closed ta is opened here, muslimatani, muslimataini, ya noon with a kasra is added, and muslimataini, that is ya noon with a kasra is added here. Now coming to the plurals, that is Muslimuna, Muslimaini, Muslimaina, Muslimina, Muslimatun, Muslimatin, Muslimatin. Inshallah, in the next class we will continue with the era of the nouns. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.